Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is DeUndrea if you're new here. So as you can tell by the title, I am going to be comparing the Pigalle, the Christian Louboutin Pigalle and the Christian Louboutin So Kate. If you think that you would be interested, make sure that you keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel. So we're going to start off just comparing the different materials. So these are the So Kates and these are in the patent leather. So cute. This is the other pair, and these are 120 millimeters, the heel height, and then these are the Pigalle and the 100 mm, and these are in the black nappa leather. So here are these in the black nappa leather. Super cute. Just to start off the bat, I just feel like the different leathers just have such different vibes. Like I feel like when I see this shoe, just the nappa leather, I definitely feel like these are a lot more formal. I would wear these like if I worked in a very dressy, like, you know, corporate environment, like to work. If I was going like to a wedding, just something like really dressy. Like I feel like definitely like evening wear. And I feel like these are a lot more like a little bit relaxed, just with the patent. And next I want to talk about the comfort level, because the main reason that I decided to get these was because these are just, you know, I'm pretty sure if you are familiar with Christian Louboutin, you know So Kates are just not a very comfortable shoe. As you can see, they are 120 millimeters. The stiletto is super thin. This is steep right here, has a very steep kind of like, I don't know what you would call this, but this part is just very steep. And I mean, it's a beautiful shoe. I feel like this shoe is so like sexy and like, oh my god, like, I love seeing this shoe on. It just looks so good, but it is just not comfortable at all. Like I literally can count on my fingers how many times I've worn these, and I just feel like that's horrible. I got these as a gift, but the amount of money that my dad spent on these, I really feel bad that I haven't gotten more wear out of these. But it's just like they're just not comfortable. Like I was thinking like, oh my god, I'm gonna wear these out all the time when I go out to like clubs and dinners, but like I feel like they're practical for dinner. You know, you just get in your car, sit down the whole time, go back in your car. Like that's, you know, you can wear these for that. But like going out to like clubs and stuff like that, like they just are not comfortable. My feet will be hurting the whole time. Yeah, I definitely wanted a shoe that I could wear more often and when I do go out. So that's why I decided to get this shoe. I would definitely recommend, if you're getting your first pair of Louboutins, get the 100 mm just because it's so comfortable. Like I literally can see myself wearing these every day. If I did work in like a more dressy environment, maybe like for a bank or like a corporate bank or something like that, I definitely could see myself wearing this to work on a daily basis just because it's so comfortable. And I'm going to show you, you can tell just the heel, the stiletto heel. This one's a lot chunkier, so you're going to have a little bit more support, and you can see how skinny this one is. And you can see like the So Kates are a lot steeper and then these are not. So I mean, just looking at the shoe, you can kind of tell how your comfort level is going to be. Another thing about this, in the nappa leather, I got a 37.5, but after looking at some reviews, I was told that the leather will stretch. So I do kind of wish I would have just got the 37 in these, because like I said, they are going to stretch and then they might end up being too big. Right now they fit perfect, but you know, because I know this is a comfortable shoe and I know I would be getting a lot of wear out of this, I would probably just stick to my size, which is a 37. But yeah, I really love this shoe. Oh my god, like I love both of these shoes. I wish that these were just a little bit more comfortable. So I think like for my next pair, I'm probably going to get the Pigalle Follies, which is kind of like if these two had a baby, you would get the Pigalle Follies.
Oh yeah.
Really love the Pigalle. I definitely just feel like they are just so comfortable. If you are thinking about getting a pair of Christian Louboutins, I definitely feel like you should try to get these. Should definitely be your first pair. Do not be like me and try to get the So Kates as your first pair, because these are for someone that wears heels on a daily basis, you know, really knows how to walk in heels and are an experienced heel walker wearer. Yeah, this is just for someone that just, you know, can really strut their things in heels. Me, like, I'm just not to that level right now. To sum everything up, just on the sizing, I would recommend, if you're gonna get the patent leather, I would recommend maybe going up like half a size. And then the nappa leather, if it's not too tight, I would recommend going like true to size, just because over time this leather is really soft and it is gonna stretch more than the patent. So I would recommend just going true to size if you are gonna get the nappa leather. But, you know, obviously you don't want to get a shoe and it's just like too tight and unbearable. Obviously size up, but, you know, just kind of keep that in mind that it may stretch depending on how often that you wear it. I hope this comparison was helpful to anybody looking to buy their first pair of Christian Louboutins, or just want to know the difference between the two. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.